Where's the bumper? Oh, there it is. She whiz.
Y2K is a brand new era. Try and make hits like Yo Rivera.
Stanley Tools makes Mac.
Yeah.
So
What's your plan on that bumper?
burn the trailer down and file for insurance. That's about as far as he's gotten so far.
Are we repairing it, or are you getting new plates?
You can repair it. The whole frame's gone.
Yeah, the bracket.
I was gonna look at a.
The problem is that it was corroded out too, so who knows what the other three axles are like.
I was gonna look at that.
Aren't they different though, or are they the same? They're different though,
These
right?
are different.
Yeah.
But when I put that on that, look. See how this is like one huge piece that goes underneath?
Yeah.
It's like this big massive thing.
Yeah.
So that one is an airbag.
It's just a tiger fin.
Yeah, but there's an airbag. We don't have an airbag on it.
Right.
But can I still? Can we remove the airbag? I don't know. Just email Eric right now.
Well, you want to make them spring length now?
No, but if I have, see where this. See, this just bolts here. There's
Yeah.
no.
Yeah, it just welds right here.
Right. So we're missing this much of the frame. But that over there goes like this. So all of this will hold on. Compared to just the
Right here.
6 inches in the rear.
Yeah.
I don't know if these are. I need to look at a different one to see if this is even factory, or was it just hanging? Was it just bolted here like this? And then they put these on because this broke?
Just
See what I'm saying?
aftermarket.
Yeah, this is something they made. I don't know. We can look at this one.
Hopefully that stuff shows up this week.
Yeah, I'm hoping those crusty.
Yeah, I just got to knock out those corner pieces yet, then this thing is ready to rock and roll.
No? Or maybe that was a fix that
It's right here.
Yeah, look
See,
at
it broke. I saw that the other day. They put this plate on because it's all
that
busted
broke,
up.
right?
Yeah. See, and this is all bent down, so this one's about ready to break itself, I think.
Yep. The frame's not.
Yeah, same on this side. I think they added that.
Yeah, look at that.
Because that's
The frame split.
so this part of the I-beam, then they braced it, or then they bolted on with the metal.
That is factory.
Yeah.
The top, I'm not
This.
sure is factory.
Yeah, that's not factory. That can't be.
Oh, we can't because the airbags are on that very outside. They're not underneath. That's why this is like that.
Yeah, let's go to the airbags.
See, the leaf suspension's all out here.
Yeah, so we won't be able to do that.
Yeah, but this thing takes a beating. Big time. So, how in the world do you... I
So that means-
even if we fish plate it, even if we... Holy smokes, look at this frame rail, dude. Look, we're through here at your frame rail, all the way to the end.
Bent up.
I never noticed that.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you stand over here, don't look like that.
Oh yeah, because it's going this. Like, well, actually, right here you can see it.
Yeah, you can, huh? It kind of sags.
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy. You say junk? Junk.
Bag.
So, if you had a, let's say we put a 6-inch piece on the rear, and then fish plate it, I still don't think it's going to be strong enough.
Yeah, because part of the I-beam broke. That's part of the I-beam.
Right. I mean, let's say we cut it flush and then weld an I-beam. We're
And
going to have that much I-beam left, right?
Right.
So, and we add that to the rear.
Well, we're only, what'd you calculate, 6 inches left?
We could shorten these.
We're gonna lose.
We could shorten every one of them an inch. We can go 19 inches instead of 20 inches on every single.
I thought we were doing 16 and a half.
16 is where it's going to sit, but I-beam's going to 20.
But don't you want the drop axle like right on the edge of the
But
I-beam?
we're gonna be able to do whatever we want because we can put the cross member where we want. You know what I mean? We could go 16,
Yeah.
18. We needed 16 to make the spacings at 50. But if we can space them to 51 by going 20s, because it'll be 4 spacers. But we don't have to. We can go 50 and a halves, save a couple inches off, so we'll have a section of frame rail left. But even if we put it on there and fish plate it,
It's still gonna be weak, I think. Don't you think?
I think so. That's a lot of weight hanging on the back of that. And then it takes the brunt
Front
of
fork.
the hit.
Yeah.
I mean,
That's not as thick as I thought it would be. This piece right here.
no, it's
That's been busted for a minute.
well, this all has for sure.
Yeah.
That's
I think
why they put the
I think it was
plates in.
hanging on right here. This is where it was just hanging.
Yeah, you can see it right there.
Yeah.
And then that whole thing was hanging on. This whole thing, but this one
See,
wasn't.
this been broke. This was hanging on, like you said.
Yeah. But
and right here, so all this has been broke.
yeah, so
Just like that one
is
over
too.
there.
They're all like that. All these are broke.
So we're gonna have to fix that before this happens again. Because it's gonna happen again.
We can unbolt this, grind this out and weld it, and then put this back on.
You mean just clean this up and try to fit it and weld it, then put another plates on both sides? Basically do the exact same thing they did?
Yeah, but this. I don't think it's gonna hold, man. And if we V this out like halfway,
Yeah. Yeah.